Hi everyone, today we will see how to install Eclipse IDE on Windows machine. Okay, so let's download the Eclipse first, then install it. Let's launch Chrome browser and search download Eclipse. Okay, so you have to click on this first link, eclipse.org downloads, and from here you have to scroll down a little bit and click on this download. So here is saying download 86 cents for 32-bit machine and 64 for 64-bit machine. Okay, this is the same installer for both machines. Click on it, and now you're on this page. You have to click on this download button. Okay, click on this download button. It will start downloading Eclipse installer here. Okay, and if you want to contribute to Eclipse Foundation, you can do it from here. Okay, because this is open source tool, and if you have some feelings to donate this amount, and or you can, if you want to donate $5, you can donate from here. Okay, so it started downloading the installer. Okay, so let's wait for the completion. So I'm already having a downloaded installer, so let me run this installer. So it started installing Eclipse on my machine. Okay, so from here it's listing various options. If you want to use Eclipse for Java development, you can click on this option. Okay, and if you want to use Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers, then you can select this option, and the same for C and C++. Okay, so for Selenium we will just go with Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, let me click on this button and click on install. So click on accept. It's about to complete the installation. So Eclipse is successfully installed on our machine. Okay, so we have to click on this launch button. Okay, so we have successfully installed the Eclipse IDE on our machine. It's launching. Okay, when you install Eclipse and you launch it, okay, and if you have to create projects on Eclipse IDE, you have to define some workspace. Okay, now let's discuss what is a workspace. Workspace is a directory or a folder where your projects will be saved. Okay, you can create it in C drive, D drive, anywhere on your disk space. Okay, this is just a specific location in which all your Eclipse projects will be saved. Okay, so I'm just going with the default workspace and click on launch. So it's preparing my Eclipse IDE to launch. First time it will take a little time. Okay, so Eclipse IDE is successfully installed. Okay, uh, let's create one new Java project. Okay, to see that it's working fine. We have successfully installed Eclipse IDE. Click on file and click on new button and click on Java project. Okay, and let's name as demo project. Okay, we give name as demo project. Now when you install new Eclipse IDE, it will install the latest Java, that is 15. Okay, Java standard edition 15. Okay, but we will use only Java 1.8 that we installed in last session. Okay, so we will select 1.8. Okay, and we'll click on finish. Okay, have a look. So it's created a new project for us, demo project, and you can click on this arrow to expand. Okay, so this is source folder in which you can place your files. Right now it's empty, so let's create a new class. Right click on this folder and click on new and click on class. Okay, so we have to enter the name here. I will enter as demo class. Okay, so click on finish. So have a look, it's created one demo class.java in default package. Okay, so we need to create a main method here. Okay, so you can just type main method here. Okay, so this is the main method of demo class, and we will write one console statement. Okay, this is the statement to print something on your console. Okay, on output window. So I'm just printing demo execution. Okay, now we have created one program here. Now if you have to execute this Java program, okay, so you have to right click on this demo class and click on run as and click on Java application. Have a look. So it's executed your application, and you can see this is the console where your output is displayed and it's displaying demo execution. Have a look. This is the print statement and it's printing on console. So our program is executed successfully. That means all the settings are fine on Eclipse. Okay, so in this way you can add more classes here. Like if you want to add a new class, you can add like demo2. Okay, so in this way you can add as many as classes you want. Okay, so I think we are done with this small demo of Eclipse and installation and setup of Eclipse. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you guys.